Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Tabby from Simply Millennial, and today we're going to talk about 6 things you can do like Elon Musk. But before that, do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. At Simply Millennial, we make videos about the personal and professional hacks that'll help you boost your career. So,
Music.
So when he's not tweeting about Dogecoin and playing with the crypto market, he is basically the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, the Boring Company, and was the CEO of Zip2 and PayPal. भाई और तो नहीं खोल लिया ये स्क्रिप्ट एक हफ्ते पुरानी है सही ओके He does all of this while having 7 children, 4 wives and 3 divorces. He is a true inspiration. He is known to be working for 16 to 17 hours every day, even though he's currently valued at $160 billion. So, बिना और किसी प्रवचन के, let's look at the 6 lessons we can learn from Elon Musk and how we can use it in our lives. Let's go. Lesson number 1 is know what you do. Musk is obsessed with the details of things around him and he just loves to read. There are stories where Tesla employees say that Musk used to lock himself up with engineers and then grill them for hours while his colleagues thought कि भाई क्या चल रहा है इन बंद दरवाजों के पीछे. In reality, Musk was trying to understand the details of the process on the factory floor. He knows that he's a genius and he can suggest improvements only when he knows about the details. Point is, किसी भी फील्ड में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए you have to have a deep knowledge of that sphere. But since we are no Elon Musk and we cannot just lock people up in rooms to extract their knowledge, we are going to take a more conventional way of doing things. List down the primary and the secondary skills you would need to be successful in your field and then start working on them. If you're not sure what skills are needed, look at the experts in that field and then try to match up to their skills. Lesson number 2 is have a powerful vision. Musk was really fascinated by all the sci-fi comics that he read as a child, and he had a very powerful vision from an early age, starting from electric cars to space explorations to human settlements on Mars. And it is his conviction towards his vision that has made SpaceX and Tesla the most preferred job location across US. You must be thinking, how is any of this relevant to us? Well, all of us work in some kind of corporate job and we have tools and services which can be improved. Having a strong vision will help you convince your superiors better and they will support you, and this will help you in your career growth. Lesson number 3 is be outrageously bold in your goals. Musk team was working on a car to take 1 tank of gas from LA to NYC. VPs thought they'll be lucky to get it to Las Vegas, but the car actually got till New Mexico. But Musk was still not satisfied. उनके standards and goals इतने high थे that even his failure was worthy of celebration to others. Get out of your comfort zone, set your goals so high कि तुम्हारे failures seem like success to others. But do not just sit and lament over your unachieved goal. Celebrate your success. Musk says, I say something and it gets done. Maybe not on schedule, but it definitely gets done. Lesson number 4 is optimize ruthlessly. Musk had a secretary who worked for him for 5 years, and after 5 years she asked him for a raise. Instead, Musk ने उसे बोला कि एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी ले लो, and during that 1 week he did all of that work himself, and when she came back after 1 week, Musk fired her. Bold and outrageous but highly optimized. हम अपने कंफर्ट जोन में इतना कोजी हो जाते हैं that we stop looking for better things. Musk scraped his entire PR and media team and invested that money in worthwhile and more important things. The best way for us to optimize things is to seek constructive feedback from people. Do not ask people of what good things you can do. Just ask them for improvement on what work you are doing. That way you improve your work and you will grow in your field. Lesson number 5 is understanding the fundamentals, the first principle, and Musk lives by this rule. When Musk was trying to figure out why electrical batteries cost $600, he broke down the battery to its raw materials, found out the cost for buying those raw materials and then assembling those raw materials, and the cost actually came out to be $80, 1/8 of the actual price. And this is how Musk is saving millions of dollars making Tesla batteries in-house. इस principle को use करके you can identify the root cause of any issue, identify the current assumptions in the market, break it down to the fundamentals, create new solutions based on those fundamentals, like Elon Musk in case of the electrical batteries. Lesson number 6 is schedule the day with minimal task switching. Musk tries his best to avoid any kinds of distractions, and that is is why he batches tasks together. Similar kinds of tasks are kept in one batch so that less mental energy is spent switching between tasks. He also has dedicated days for each one of his companies. This thing not only makes him efficient while working but also helps in the overall communication with employees across different companies. They would know when to contact him and when not to. He even has his day planned in chunk of 5 minutes. But since we are no Elon Musk and we cannot do such levels of time management, what we can do instead is plan our day in chunk of 30 minutes. Put everything in there. 30 minutes replying to emails, 30 minutes replying to Slack messages, dedicated time for meetings, and even a dedicated family time. Let your colleagues know about your timing so that they do not bug you unnecessarily. Also, learn to say no. Musk advocates to decline meetings if their agendas are not clear.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
I have another bonus tip for you. When Musk was asked कि कौन सा ऐसा daily habit है that had a huge impact on his life, he said showering. Some of his best ideas came to him while he was taking a shower. And for me personally, the days when I take a bath are the best days of my week. I feel more alive, I feel more positive, and yes, I get more clearer ideas. चलो दोस्तों, आज का प्रवचन बस यहीं तक खत्म करते हैं. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, please नहा लिया करो यार.